let's talk about Europe's defense strategy. It's like they're playing the long game, thinking about sustainability and building a strong industrial base across the whole continent. That means collaborating between countries, sharing technology, and making sure their defense industry can compete on a global scale. This is a big shift for Europe, and it's being driven by some serious geopolitical realities. Think about it. With the situation in Ukraine, defense isn't just an abstract concept anymore. It's a top priority, and European nations are putting their money where their mouth is. Let me give you some numbers. Since 2022, almost every single NATO member in Europe has significantly increased their defense budget. Poland is leading the pack, spending over 4% of their GDP on defense, followed closely by Estonia at over 3%. To put that in perspective, that's on par with the United States. We're talking billions and billions of dollars pouring into military modernization, research and development, and of course, cutting-edge technologies like AI and drones. Now, let's talk about Ukraine. They're facing an immediate threat and need solutions now. They don't have the luxury of planning for the long term. Their approach is all about speed and agility, rapidly developing and deploying technology that can give them an edge on the battlefield. And you know what? It's working. Ukraine has become a hotbed of military innovation, particularly when it comes to drones. They're using these unmanned systems for everything from reconnaissance to attack, and they're constantly finding new and innovative ways to employ them. So, we have two very different approaches to defense innovation here. Europe is like the tortoise, steady, strategic, and focused on the long haul. Ukraine, on the other hand, is the hare, nimble, adaptable, and laser-focused on the immediate challenge. But here's the thing, both approaches are crucial. Europe's investments in research and development will lead to groundbreaking advancements in AI, autonomous systems, and other game-changing technologies. And the lessons learned from Ukraine, the real-world experience of using these technologies in the heat of battle, that's invaluable and will feed back into those long-term strategies. Now, where does AI fit into all of this? Well, it's at the heart of it. AI is driving the development of new autonomous weapon systems, improving situational awareness on the battlefield, empowering logistics and intelligence gathering. It's making military operations faster, more precise, and more effective. But with all this talk of AI in warfare, it's important to remember the human element. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. The war in Ukraine has been a wake-up call for the world, reminding us of the importance of a strong and united defense. The innovations we're seeing, both in Europe and Ukraine, have the potential to reshape warfare as we know it. But it's not just about technology. It's about partnerships, collaboration, and a shared commitment to defending our values and freedoms. And as we move forward, it's crucial that we continue to have open and honest conversations about the future of defense, the role of technology, and the ethical considerations that come with it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay up to date on all things AI. See you in the next one. Now, let's talk about the role of defense contractors in all of this. We all know those big names: Lockheed Martin, Boeing, BAE Systems. These companies are investing heavily in new technologies, and they're playing a key role in shaping the future of defense. But it's not just about the big players. We're also seeing a surge in smaller, more agile startups that are bringing fresh ideas and innovative solutions to the table. This is a rapidly evolving landscape, and the companies that can adapt and innovate quickly will be the ones that thrive. I'm really curious to see how this dynamic plays out in the coming years, and which companies will emerge as the leaders in defense innovation. One of the most talked about aspects of AI in defense is the development of autonomous weapon systems. These are systems that can identify, select, and engage targets without human intervention. Now, this is a controversial topic, and for good reason. There are serious ethical concerns surrounding the development of such systems, not to mention the potential risks of unintended consequences. However, the reality is that autonomous weapons are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and they're here to stay. The question is, how do we ensure that these systems are developed and used responsibly? How do we prevent a future where machines are making life or death decisions on the battlefield? But it's not just about hardware and physical weapons. Cyber warfare is becoming increasingly important, and it's playing a critical role in the conflict in Ukraine. We've seen how cyber attacks can cripple critical infrastructure, disrupt communications, and even influence elections. As we become more reliant on technology, our vulnerability to these kinds of attacks only increases. That's why it's crucial that we invest in strong cybersecurity measures and develop a robust cyber defense strategy. The war in Ukraine has highlighted the interconnectedness of our world. What happens in one part of the globe can have ripple effects that are felt thousands of miles away. In this interconnected world, global security is not just the responsibility of a few powerful nations. It's a shared responsibility that requires cooperation and collaboration on a global scale. And I believe that technology, particularly AI, has a crucial role to play in addressing these shared challenges, from climate change to pandemics to, yes, even conflict. The challenges we face today are too complex for any one nation to tackle alone. We need to work together, share our knowledge and resources, and build a more peaceful and secure future for all. And I truly believe that technology can help us to bridge divides and foster greater understanding between people and nations. All right, let's wrap up there for today. I hope you found this discussion insightful and thought-provoking. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of AI and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, my friends. I'm really interested in hearing your thoughts on this. How do you think AI will shape the future of warfare? Do you think autonomous weapons should be banned? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for new perspectives and ideas, and I want to make this channel a space for thoughtful and respectful discussion. And hey, while we're at it, I'd love to hear your feedback on the channel. I'm always working to improve the quality of my videos and make them as informative and engaging as possible. If you have any suggestions, please don't hesitate to share them in the comments. Your feedback is valuable to me, and it helps me to make this channel the best it can be. I'm on a mission to make learning about AI accessible and exciting for everyone, and I can't do it without your support. So, hit that subscribe button, join the conversation, and let's explore the world of AI together. Thanks for being a part of the All About AI Tech community. Your support means the world to me. Now, go out there and keep learning, keep exploring, and keep asking questions. I'll see you in the next video.